Class 5 IMO Level 2 Achiever Section. Achiever Section question number 46. Read the given statement carefully and select the correct option. Now we'll solve each statement. Statement 1. Navya did her homework of 4 subjects in 3 1/5 hours. If she spent the same amount of time on each of her 4 subjects, then she spent 4/5 hours on each subject. Given for one subject, she has spent 4/5 hours. So in order to calculate how much hours she spent for 4 subjects, we have to multiply. So 4/5 into 4, which is equal to 16/5. And the total hours she studied is equal to 16/5, which is equal to 3 1/5 hours. So this statement is true. Statement 2. If one shirt requires 2 3/4 meter of cloth, then 30 meter of cloth is required for 12 such shirts. One shirt requires 2 3/4 meter of cloth, that is 11/4 meter. Therefore, for 12 shirts, we have to multiply. So 11/4 into 12, which is equal to 33 meters. But in the question, they have given as 30 meter of cloth is required. So this statement is hence wrong. So our answer C, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false, is the correct option. Achiever Section question number 47. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. Now we'll see all the options one by one. Option 1. The number of right angles the hour hand on the clock face turns through 12 to 9 is P. If we consider the rotation from 12 to 9, it makes a 3/4 of the full rotation, and 3/4 of 360 is equal to 270. So 270 is nothing but 3 times 90 degree. So our answer P is equal to 3. Statement 2. A straight angle is always dash than the obtuse angle. A straight angle is the angle which measures exactly 180 degree. And an obtuse angle is the angle that is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So our answer is a straight angle is always greater than the obtuse angle. So Q is equal to greater. Third statement. The figure has R pairs of parallel line. In the figure, we can only see one pair of parallel lines. So R is equal to 1. And that leads us to the answer as D. Achiever Section question number 48. Find the value of P plus Q minus R. P is equal to round off the number to the nearest hundreds. If we round off this number, we'll get 45,000. Q, successor of the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is equal to 10,000. And the successor is equal to 10,001. R, 4,250. 4250. Now let us calculate the value. P is equal to 45,000. Q is equal to 10,001. R is equal to 4,250. And if we calculate the equation, which is equal to 50,751. That is our answer as A. Achiever Section question number 49. Which of the following figures shows the same shaded area? Area of 1 is equal to 4 square centimeter. First, let us see figure X. In figure X, we can see that there are 10 full squares and there are 8 half squares, which is equal to 4 full squares. So the total number of squares in figure X is equal to 14. And similarly, in figure Y, we can see that there are 6 half squares, which we can calculate as 3 full squares, and there are 8 full squares. Here in figure Y, we have 11 shaded squares. In figure Z, similarly, we have 14 squares. We can see that figure X and figure Z have the same number of squares. So they are the one which have the same shaded area. But let us calculate the area just in case. Shaded area of figure X is equal to 224 square centimeter. In figure Y, 176 square centimeter. And in Z, 224 square centimeter, which is similar to X. So our answer is C. Achiever Section question number 50. Find the sum of number of lines of symmetry in the given two figures. In figure 1, It is not horizontally nor vertically symmetrical. It is diagonally symmetrical. So we get two lines of symmetry in figure 1. But in figure 2, there is no line of symmetry. So the answer is B, 2. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.